pause the video. Look at this question. I'm giving you 5 seconds to decide your first move. Stop if you are writing an equation or testing every answer. You are playing this test on hard mode. The test makers want you to get stuck in the math, and you are burning your brain battery on a question that should be an instant kill. The average student sees consecutive integers and immediately defaults to algebra. You set up the equation, combine your terms, and simplify. 7x plus 21 equal 350. You find x equal to 47. Oh, see 47 in choice C. And your brain gives you a hit of dopamine because you found a match. Stop. This is confirmation bait. The SAT isn't testing your math, it's testing your impulsivity. But x is the first integer. The question asked for the third. You just added 10 points for a 3-second rush of being done. The answer is 49. Now we will look at how to find the answer quickly without using a long formula. In a set of 7 consecutive integers, center always holds the answer. Because the count is odd, the average is the middle number. 350 divided by 7 is 50. That's the fourth number. Since the center is 50, the third number must be 49. But be careful. This only works for odd counts. If there were even counts, 6 numbers, the center breaks and you fall back to algebra. But on this test, structure usually beats calculation. This isn't just an algebraic shortcut. It's a geometric law. When triangles like the ABC are trapped between 2 parallel lines, they share a secret. Here, we are asked to find the ratio of the areas of triangle EEB and triangle EBC. The amateur start hunting for each. They look for coordinates. They try trigonometry, or they pray for a given altitude. They spend 45 seconds solving for a variable that ultimately vanishes. But the elite student looks for invariants. These triangles are trapped between the same 2 parallel lines, sharing the same vertex. Their height is identical. In a ratio, identical values are noise. The height cancels out. The ratio of the areas is simply the ratio of the bases. 6:4 or 3:2. You solve it before the amateur even sharpened their pencil. The difference between an average score and a top-tier score isn't how much math you know, it's how much time you steal. By spotting the pattern instead of doing the math, you just stole 50 seconds. Do that a few more times, and you have banked an extra 5 minutes to spend on the hardest questions. The end.